Hey guys, DIY Bree here. I post DIY home decor videos every week and try to help and inspire others to create the space they want to live in. So thumbs up if you like this type of video and let's get started. Today we're doing a Target home decor kind of a haul and showing you a few things that I picked up recently that I'm really loving, or I'm still trying to figure out if I love or not. We'll see. But hopefully I can show you a lot of these things styled to kind of get you an idea of how you might want to use it. So this one might not occur to a lot of you because it's in the kids section. This is from Pillow Fort, but it's this solid monochromatic orange lamp. It's got kind of like a ribbed texture on the ceramic base and then kind of like a woven linen fabric on top. It's a little bit small because it's like for kids, so you'd have to be strategic about where you place it. Maybe not framing your king size bed, but somewhere else a little more as an accent. I think I tend to be more color neutral, but it is really nice sometimes to have a bold pop of color somewhere, and then it's always easy to switch out a couple of just those few items. I want to go through some of the Bullseye Target dollar spot section. They've really kind of amped up their game in that section for decor. Really cute stuff that's only a few bucks. This was a $3 shelf and they have different ones. I think one's like a rainbow. This is like a sunny version. Oh, I do have a rainbow. Sorry, it's been a minute since I went shopping. I have the rainbow version too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I think I was thinking about doing the two as a pairing somewhere on a wall in probably my daughter's room. Probably for kid use, but they're so cute that like I would use them anywhere. I love the natural wood look of them and how there's interest created by like three-dimensional instead of like paint or something. It's like they used a router to cut out these little cutouts. And there's a way to hang them on the back. Pretty legit for $3. They're really cute. This is from the dollar spot too. I'm not 100% sure what I would do with it, but it's supposed to be a metal riser. It was $5. I was thinking I could spray paint it black and use it to elevate a planter. So like an indoor planter that I want to be a little bit higher, I can just pop my plant in here, create some height and dimension, but I thought it was cute. And the blue color is nice too. Okay, I thought these would be really cool. A $5 woven fan. I thought this would be really cool to create a whole art piece on a wall by pairing a bunch together or just tacking them up one after another, or to accent like placing it behind one of your plants to add some texture and interest. I just really like these natural fiber type things, and it's really nice you can find them for inexpensive like this. Okay, this wasn't in the dollar spot, but it's kind of the same vibe as those other shelves. It was from the craft section in the store, so it's meant to be just a kid's piece that you can paint on. But again, I like the arches are like cut out and like three-dimensional. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint these or keep them the way they are. I think maybe I'll let my daughter decide on that. This little $3 Bullseye item I thought was really cute. They have different colors and different shapes, but it's just a yellow cactus that's ceramic. You could easily paint it and DIY it into something else, but it's so cute the way it is. Perfect to add on top of some books on a shelf or something. And it's a pretty decent size. What is that, like 5 inches? Something like that. I love that they have a lot of these rainbow shaped items because that's the theme we're doing for my daughter's rooms, rainbow theme. It just says wall decor. It's kind of like a cane wicker kind of material, and this could be cute to like turn into a mobile over a crib or just kind of styled or hung anywhere among some hanging plants, something like that. Okay, this bud vase I think was from the Magnolia collection, maybe Studio McGee actually, it doesn't say, but I love the kind of classic ancient shape of this. It's very traditional. The color and finish, the like stone speckling look. You can actually use it as a bud vase. It doesn't have to just be decor. And I love fresh flowers. I like to grow flowers in my garden, specifically to cut flowers to bring in the house. So I'll probably be using this a lot. And I like that it's small. I have a lot of big ones and it's nice to have varying sizes. Sometimes the stems aren't long enough for a longer vase, so I like some shorter ones. Yeah. I just thought it was cute. These are like ceramic stacking trays. And then the second one has divider in between. This would be great for like jewelry, for decorative use. Okay, so maybe not for snacks, but this would be a really cute accent in a shelf too or something. So I don't know. And then this is like a silicone plant saucer. It was $5. It's a set of 2. It's got this little pattern in it and I thought it was cute. It's like dishwasher safe, so that's nice. Every once in a while I'll throw it in the dishwasher and clean them, but I love all the plant stuff that they've got in the dollar spot lately now. It's Speaking of plant stuff in that section, this is so cool. It's a metal plant stand. So it's this cute little house shape, and you can grow stuff that kind of grows through. This top part you can lift off to access your plants. I put plants in there that are just in their original nursery black pots, and you can't really tell. This sort of acts as a saucer to catch any excess water that comes out. So very cool. I don't love the coloring of a lot of their faux greenery in the dollar spot in particular, but I thought these Floral Picks were cute. I like the sort of sagey green color to them. They're not like super realistic, but I think they would be pretty for an accent somewhere. This is kind of the color we're going for at my aunt's house, so I picked this up thinking it might go there. This potted plant was from the dollar section too, $3 for indoor only use because it's faux, but I liked the sort of, again, it's kind of sagey green gray base. Then they've got like pretty stones inside, and then it's supposed to look like a fiddly fig, I think. I like using faux plants in bookshelves, especially like this shelf does not get a lot of sunlight, and so I've had to go faux there, and especially tucked in with other things and it's up further or back in the shelf, you can't really tell. I love when I can find good faux plants like this. This dollar spot item, once again, was $5, and it's a metal decor sign. I love the plant feel of this leaf pattern. It's really cool and minimal. I'm not sure where this will end up, but I love black metal and those sorts of elements in my house, so that's really cool. This threshold bathroom item. It's a little canister for cotton balls or something like that. It's hand woven, and there's a removable liner inside, but it's just so cute, and I just love this natural, warm, light brown putty color. So cute. So many uses for that. So this is the mini version, and I also have a big version. I'll have to show you that. I've already planted some pretty flowers in there and I'm trying it out, but it's the self-watering, the RE Room Essentials brand from Target. It's their self-watering planters, and these are really affordable. I remember they used to be so expensive to get self-watering. The big ones were only like 15 bucks each, and this is a 2-pack for 2 little ones, and it just has this small little like water reservoir at the bottom, and you just fill it up from here, and it kind of sucks up, and it's better for the plant to be watered from underneath versus over the top. So it's so cute because it's just like the big one. It's just a minier version of it, so it's like the exact same thing. So I'm excited to try these. I've used the full-size one for, I don't know, over a month now, and the plants are liking it and I'm liking it, and it's white, which is nice because it reflects the sunlight so it doesn't get too hot. It also gets dirty, but so far that hasn't really bothered me, and it's easy to just clean off, so I can report back to you on these, but these are so cute. Everything is from the bullseye section, I guess. These are $5 baskets, set of 2 for $5. They have so many different sizes of these. They've got the little place to hang them on a hook, so you can put little command stripped hooks in your bathroom and just hang these on the wall and add your towels or brushes or whatever. But I don't know, cute little baskets like this are hard to resist. I really loved this bud vase. I love the symmetry of it, and the texture is sort of like they imprinted linen fabric on it or something. It's ceramic and a nice off-white color. It was also a Studio McGee like online item, and so it was in the store on clearance. Put plants in again, and it's also a little shorter than like the classic vases, so some of my shorter flowers that didn't get quite as tall as I would have liked can go in here. This is another dollar spot item. I think you've seen these kind of wooden boat, vessel, dough bowl things. I thought this was worth picking up. It was only $5. It's a little bit like rough, so I might try sanding it down or something, but if you put it somewhere where you're not really going to touch it or look up too close, it looks really nice. So I'm not sure about this. Decorative vessel, so we'll see. I like the length of it and the size. Okay, I think that was it. Sorry, I did want to mention a couple more organizational things. These clear risers I think are really neat for organization. They're $5 for a 2-pack. And then they've had these sort of makeup organizers for a while that I think I might want to switch all my stuff into this at some point. We'll see how long it takes. But I like that they're just white, and you can stack them on top of each other. So the bottom one is a drawer, and then you can put brushes and smaller things on top. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you next week in our next video. Bye.